Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts. Blower motor is on the passenger side, up underneath. You can see it right there. There's usually a trim panel that goes under here. It attaches with either plugs here and here, or bolts. You would pull those plugs out and then pull the panel down. Disconnect lead here, pulled down on the tab and out. You'll need a small flat blade screwdriver, and you're going to pry up on a little tab above here. So that you can pull this connector off. And then on this lead, there's a little tab on the side. Push in and disconnect. And you can see the tab right here that you want to push on. 3 8mm bolts hold it. One here, close to the side of the vehicle, one over here, and one back close to the floor, back in here. We'll use an 8mm socket and ratchet. And these two are pretty easy to get to. The bolt in back you have to do blindly, unless you're very small and very flexible. But I've just got a socket and the ratchet. Feel up in there with my hand, figure out where the bolt is, and then get the ratchet and socket up in there. And it appears on there's 2 more 7mm bolts. And then there's another 7mm bolt, it feels like. And I'm using a small extension on this other one. When it comes out, the motor, pull your carpet out, down and out. And with the motor out, you can better see where all the screws are. Here are here's 2 of the 7mm bolts each side of this tube, another 7mm over here, and then the 3 8mm bolts that hold the motor frame. Original motor from the vehicle here on the right, new from 1A Auto. This is actually a much better, simpler design. You're only going to need your 3 main screws. They go here, here, and here. Okay, take those out for now. I'm going to take these out for now so they don't fall all over the place. The business side of the motor, exactly the same. Okay, it's going to mount in there the same, but again, the motor from 1A Auto is one piece. There's not 2 different covers and everything. This clip where the wiring harness goes on is molded into it. So it's going to go in, it's going to actually go in easier. You just need the 3 bolts to replace it and mount and function just the same as the original. For the 1A Auto blower motor, we only need to use the 3 screws. So I just marked them with blue marks. So I'm not trying to put the screws into different holes. Make sure your gasket's in place. Pull the carpet down. You want to have this tube kind of facing over towards the driver's side. You gotta push down on the insulation a little bit, just get it positioned right. Get the blower cage into the hole. And pretty much just kind of shove it up into place. start the second screw. I'll tighten those up before I try and do that back screw. And this last bolt goes right into the back. Reconnect. You put your lead in the motor first, and then you can put this back on to the bracket and reconnect your blower motor resistor.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.